This is an electric circuit in which a cell of EMFE having negligible internal resistance 0 ohm is connected with the two resistors out of one which is variable, this one, and the two ideal ammeter which is connected in series, this one, and the voltmeter which is connected in parallel with the variable resistor as you see in this circuit. So the question is that if you increase the resistance of this variable resistance, what will be the effect on ammeter reading as well as the voltmeter reading? Will it increase or decrease? That's the question. Well, to understand it, let's take a very simple example, a circuit in which we assume that it's a 12 volt EMF and in the start both resistances are 10 ohm and 10 ohm, whereas this is a variable resistor. So right now, what is an amount of current that will flow through the circuit will be equals to I is equals to, applying Ohm's law, it will be the potential difference EMF divided by the total resistance. As you see, the both resistances are in series, so it will be 12 over 20 ohm. So this is the current. But imagine if we increase the variable resistance, if we increase from 12 to 20 ohm, now what will happen? The current will be equals to, this EMF will not going to change. We have not changed EMF. It will remain same. Only the resistance, the net opposition, resultant opposition in the flow of the current has increased. So then it should be 12 over, now it is 20 plus 10, that is 30 ampere. So this is the current. So you see that the denominator has increased from 20 to now 30, which is resulting the value of ammeter decrease. Okay, now let's talk about the reading of voltmeter. As you know that this EMF is always constant, it will not change. It means that the voltage across this variable resistance will increase because the sum of the both voltage is constant. What I mean to say, before increasing the resistance, when both were resistances, for an example, were equal, so the 12 volt was half divided, means 6 volt, and 6 volt was dropping across its terminals. But when you increase from 10 ohms to 20 ohm, now the voltage will, because this EMF is not going to change, so that's why the voltage will proportionally divide. What do I mean? I mean to say that now the 2/3 voltage will be on this resistance, means 20 over 20 plus 10, that is 30, multiplied by 12, which means 2/3 of this 12 volt will drop on the 20 ohms. It means the voltage across this will increase. 2/3 means now it will have 8 volts and it will have the 4 volts. So the right answer is option C, which says that the voltage will increase across this variable resistance and the ammeter reading will decrease.